Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DATE NIGHT GRWM I here. Before we go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the DATE NIGHT GRWM fam. To start off today's look, I'm gonna take my XX Revolution brow pomade, and this one is in dark brown. Right now I'm just shaping up my brow to how I would like it to look. Taking this P.Louise also Beautiful gel. This one's in espresso. Using my Too Faced foundation, and this is the matte version, to carve out my brows. I'm now gonna blend out my edges. Now I'm gonna go in with my P.Louise base in rumor number 3. Make sure you have enough packed onto the lid. Today's look, I'm taking my Worldie palette, as you can see by the title, but I'll just be dabbling in these shades right here. The first shade I'll be going in is this shade right here called Manchester. The next shade I'm taking is this shade right here called Exposed, and I'm just bringing that on the top part of that brown. Make sure you take your time to blend and make sure the colors are nicely meshed together. The next shade I'm going to take is Luggage. Base in rumor 3. I don't want a perfect shape, but I'm using a round brush to just buff that to give me like a little open space, but I don't want a perfect cut crease look either, so we're gonna smoke it. Next thing I'm gonna take is this shimmery shade called Destination right there. That's a beautiful shimmer shade. I'm gonna take my Inglot liner in number 77. I'm now gonna take back this brown shade right here. I'm gonna pack that on the liner. And over the black liner, it looks way more pigmented. So mascara, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Pillow Talk mascara. Now that that's finished, I'm gonna do my face base, and the first thing I'm gonna do is my moisturizer. Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. This is the Magic Cream. Using a drop of the Magic Serum. Let that set into the skin. Gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I'm just putting this on the highest point of my cheeks. And because I'm kind of going for a full glam, I'm gonna go and color correct using my Charlotte Tilbury color corrector. And that's this. And this is in tan. Forgot to put on primer, so I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Matte Perfecting. Let that marinate into the skin. This primer is meant to blur the pores also. Now to color correct, now that I feel like that's dried down. Gonna now blend out this part. Yeah, today I'm gonna use my Too Faced foundation. And this is in the shade Chai. And the brush that I'm using is my Peaches and Cream PC08. If you're buying brushes from Peaches and Cream, you can get 4 for £15. Any size. From eyeshadow brushes to face brushes. I have to bring my foundation all the way to my neck because my neck is darker than the rest of my body. I'd like to match my chest. For concealer, I'm going to take my Hourglass concealer, and this is in Maple. I have not used this concealer in a hot minute, but this is a very full coverage. My mcgrath Sublime concealer in M21. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. sponge, and I start from my chin. And to blend in the edges, I'm just taking back my foundation brush and go around the edges so it's seamlessly blended in. For setting powder, I'm going to take my HNB Cosmetics Soft Focus Loose Powder in Translucent. Changing, so this is this part that I use my concealer, just flipping it up to the next side, even quote. For bronzer, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in For Deep. Taking my PC21 from Peaches and Cream. And I'm just patting this in and not dragging, so I don't want to disturb the product underneath. And this is an angled brush, so I feel like it's just perfect for precision. To dust it off, I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way multi-purpose powder in Chai, and that's how it looks. And for those who do not know, I am an oily skin girl, so all this powder is necessary. All this. To top that off, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in 4 deep, and that's that right there. You just need a little bit and you're good to go. I don't want to go heavy with my under eyes, so I'm just gonna take my black liner from Fenty Beauty, and this is the fly liner in Because I'm Black. I'm not gonna go with any eyeshadow under my eyes today. Juvia's Place highlighter in Royalty 2, and that's how this one looks. All you need is what's in the cap, nothing more, nothing less. About my face powder brush to blend that in. To set my face, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. With my Charlotte Tilbury mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my bottom lashes. No one can't say that I didn't do justice for my bottom lashes, like it's looking fleeky. For my lip liner, the first thing I'm gonna take is my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 3 Intense, and then I'm gonna take my Patrick Ta lip liner in Oh She's Single to ombre the lip out. And this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk Intense does remind me of the MAC Chestnut. Taking the Patrick Ta. Okay, the next thing I'm going to take is my Huda Beauty lipstick in Last Night. This is my go-to lipstick, so if you see me wearing it plenty, please forgive me. I just love the color.
If looks could kill, baby, you'd be an AK, shooting me down on a daily. I'll take a bullet for you, baby.
Alright, so we've now reached the end of my video. If you guys did enjoy it, please don't forget to comment down below what your favorite part of this look was. Until next time, bye.